Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anisa, and today we are going to learn about set builder notation and simultaneous equation. But before we start the class, we need to know what is set builder notation and simultaneous equation. Set builder notation is how to describe a set by saying what properties its member have, and simultaneous equation is a set of equations in two or more variables for which there are values that can satisfy all the equations simultaneously. A collection of numbers can be described as a set. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is a set containing the least number. These numbers are also often called elements. Set builder notation can be used, build, or describe a set. This is especially helpful if the set has an infinite number of numbers or elements. So looking at the example, this is set builder notation. This is read as the set of all values x, such that x is a real number and x is greater than 0. Let's take a look at more examples. Here we have the set of numbers satisfying the formula to x plus 1, such that x is an integer. This means x is an element of the set of integers. So if x is an integer, then we substitute those values into the formula to x plus 1. This would give us a set of odd integers. And then we have the set of all x such that x doesn't equal 0. This would be the set of all real numbers except 0. In the next example, we are going to work some problems that focus on writing set using set builder notation. So let's start with number 1. Write the set natural numbers that is less than 6 in the set builder notation. First, we need to know what exactly are natural numbers. Natural numbers are integers that start with 1 and so on. Natural numbers are basically positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all natural numbers. But 1.5 is not a natural number. 0 or negative 4 is not a natural number. Now, we want to write this in a set where it's less than 6. So we should only include 1 to 5 because 5 is less than 6, so we are not including 6. So let's describe it using set builder notation. So A is the set of all x such that x is the natural numbers, and x is greater than or equal to 1 but is less than or equal to 5. That's how we can describe this using set builder notation. So let's go ahead and work on some more example. Number 2. Write the set of whole numbers that is less than 8 in set builder notation. So whole numbers are natural numbers, but they also include 0. So that's the list, and let's use B as the name of the set. And let's describe it using set builder notation. So we could say that B is the set of all x such that x is whole number, and x is greater than or equal to 0, but it's less than 8. I could also say that x is greater than or equal to 0, but it's also less than or equal to 7. So both of these inequalities, they will describe that set of numbers. Number 3. I will write the set of integers that is greater than negative 4 but less than or equal to 5 using set builder notation. So integer can be positive or negative and they include 0. Now the integer that is greater than negative 4 is negative 3, and to be less than or equal to 5, so it includes 5. So that's the list of numbers that we have. How can we describe it in set builder notation? C is the set of all x such that x is an integer and x greater than or equal to negative 3 but it's less than or equal to 5. I could also say that x is greater than -4 but is also less than or equal to 5. So both ways work. Now, you know how to describe a set using set builder notation. We use the term simultaneous equation when we have multiple equations that share a bunch of variables and true at the same time. We have seen how to solve one equation with one variable, like 2x plus 2 equal to 12. But if there is an equation with two variables like 3x plus y equal to 10, the things become different. This equation actually has infinite solution, so we can't really solve it in the way that we want to. However, if you have two equations but with two variables like 3x plus y equal to 10 and x plus y equal to 4, then suddenly there is one solution for us to find. This is system of simultaneous equation, and we are going to see how to find the solution. To solve this equation, we will use a process called elimination. We are going to eliminate one of the variables by subtracting one equation from the other. We will write one equation on top of the other and draw a line underneath as with normal subtraction. So we eliminated the y term and now have 2x equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equal to 3. Now that we have found x, finding y is easier. We use substitution, which means that we pick one of the equation. We will pick x plus y equal to 4 and replace x with 3. The equation becomes 3 plus y equal to 4, and we get y equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.